So another way to access Audacity is actually through Google Drive. So how you do this is you would log into your Google Drive account. I will go ahead and log into mine by just typing Google Drive. Mine's already been saved, so it pops up for me. But what you would do is you would hit New, and you would go to More, and then it leads you to other selections, and you would then hit Connect to More Apps, and it'll load. And then what you would do is you would type in Audacity, and it comes into Audacity Online. You hit that, then you click on Audacity Online, hit install. So it works with Google Drive, and what it does is it will install into your Google Drive area so you can access it. I'll go ahead and hit install, and you'll give it permission. There we go. You just sign into it again, just asking for access to information. I'm okay with it. And it can have the option to set up as a default. I'm just going to go ahead and say okay. And then now it's ready. So whenever I want to do something with Audacity, it will just be in my Google files. And what's really nice about Google Drive is it saves everything automatically. It syncs, so I can access the same Google account from my phone or tablet or a school computer. And there we go.